off to Crooked Billet School.
Recently, leadership groups from Hatboro-Horsham High School and Crooked Billet Elementary School met to engage in team bonding activities to cap off a year of shared experiences in personal growth.
We developed a program at Crooked Billet where students were chosen via application and lottery to be a part of a new leadership program. So what I wanted to do was pilot a program where we would have 16 students, 4th grade and 5th grade, and they really learned the components of being a leader. So we talked about responsibility, we talked about empathy, we talked about collaboration, we talked about basic listening skills, we talked about presentation skills, so public speaking. And I really tried to provide them with opportunities to do those things in Crooked Billet, as well as when they are working on team building activities and collaboration activities with the high school link crew.
This collaboration with high school's Link Crew program was initiated at the beginning of the school year. Both elementary and high school students benefited from this program.
High school students as mentors often will teach students more than I could ever teach them. They look up to them, and these are students that have taken on leadership roles and really pushed themselves out of their comfort zone. That's what I want to see the elementary kids doing as well. I want them to learn new things and push themselves.
I love watching our high school students come out, and Jackson ran kickball by himself. Someone else took us on the nature walk, and it just gave them a chance to interact, enjoy their time outside.
Good job!
I've always loved hanging out with just like kids because they bring a whole new viewpoint into things that we don't even think of anymore because they're still curious.
While the emphasis on the last meeting was to have fun together, there were still a couple of activities that required students to practice communication and leadership skills.
The Crooked Billet kids were assigned to try to all stand up on there together and sing through one verse of Row Your Boat. And they did a good job. They learned communication skills, and they learned how to trust themselves and their instincts along with trusting other people. And I feel like that was just kind of the main point of like teamwork and communication and how those things correlate together.
We did the log thing, and it was fun because we all had to work together to like try to balance on the log and stuff.
You made it!
To cap off the day, Mr. Jim Shields demonstrated how to start a fire and cook s'mores.
My favorite activity was probably making the s'mores.
And why?
Because they taste delicious.
The goal was really to have a stress-free, fun day for the kids to try some new things.
It looked like they reached that goal while still learning something about themselves and each other. Reporting for HHTV, this is Bob Anderson.